Vinny's taking the little Quicksilver boat out. I say little, it's about probably 30 inches or so. 32 inches, I don't know. Let's see what it does. It's on 6S, I believe. And that thing takes off awfully slow for 6S. But it's getting there.
Oh my goodness, did you see how it shoots on?
Yeah.
The water is shooting up in the air.
Oh yeah. Real fast, that's why.
Like, that boat's this way can swing. We can even do sometimes.
Mother's Day 2024 at the Wethers Cove. Doing a little RC boating.
Well, I wish I want one of those.
You gotta ask your mom for one.
Oh, look how big.
Tell her it only costs like $800.
Wow.
That's it. Only. You gotta save up all your allowance money. It gets going pretty good though when it gets up there. Whoa!
No, you saw the barrel roll?
Well, no, it happened right in front of you, which was not in front of the camera. But I bet it looked cool. Oh, why'd you slow down? If you would have stayed in it, you probably would have barrel rolled right there too. Vinny doing the walk of shame. The paddle of shame.
Where did it go?
It's way over there in the water.